Welcome to Front Porch Lawyer, where we address the humanity of lawyering. Many attorneys are winning battles in the courtroom, but losing battles in their lives. From interpersonal relationships to stress management, Front Porch Lawyer explores topics that improve your practice, your lifestyle, and even your love life. Leave feeling a little more inspired with a smile on your face. Here's your host, Francine Tone.
Hi, I'm Francine Tone, and welcome to my Front Porch. Today is another Front Porch Lawyer Brief, under 5 minutes. So do you like losing a case? I sure don't. And I'm like you and every lawyer, I hate to lose. But do you say no to cases? As an appellate lawyer, I handle divorce or family law cases when it involves property issues. And it's not uncommon for both parties coming out with property issues to be somewhat dissatisfied with the result. So one time the wife contacted me and she felt there had been some errors made in the trial court, and a look at her case indicated that there looks like there had some errors been made, but it hardly warranted an appeal. The amount involved just wasn't big enough to justify the cost of an appeal. So I said no and recommended that she walk away. And she agreed to do that. Well, a month later, the husband filed the notice of appeal and the wife called. Now, I should disclose that both of these parties were attorneys who represented themselves in their own case in the trial court. Now, side note, lawyers, stop representing yourself. That's like a doctor doing his own gallbladder surgery. Go hire a lawyer. Anyway, so when the wife came to me with this news, I agreed to take the case. So what was the difference? The case was much better from a respondent's point of view because my primary duty was defending the judgment, which was, for the most part, in my client's favor. And the small issues that she had raised before, I could raise on cross-appeal without distracting from my primary duty, which was to defend the judgment. And what it did was it put her in a much better position to seek and recover the attorney fees on appeal, which we did. So tactically, it was a much better choice. But this position would not have existed had I failed to say no initially. My example is case related, but saying no is important for lawyers. So think about it. When was the last time you actually said no? Someone in your office wants to pick your brain. Say no. Let's have coffee or a beer. You don't have time. Say no. Taking on a case outside of your practice area because your client wants you to take care of their child who got in a car accident. Say no. Warren Buffett said that the difference between a successful person and a really successful person is that the really successful person says no to just about everything. Think about that. Almost everything. Saying no to almost everything. Every time you say yes to something, you are saying no to something else. The problem is you don't even know what you're saying no to yet because that won't come up till later. So learn to start saying no to almost everything. You say yes to the things that matter because it involves a big goal that you're going after or relates to your productivity and getting a case done, or is to help fill your life with the things that you really want in your life. Be selfish about saying yes. If you want to be more productive and spend your life doing the things that you want to do, start saying no a lot. You'll thank yourself, your family and friends will thank you. So start saying no purposefully more often. So comment below or send me your thoughts by email. Follow me on YouTube, LinkedIn, or Facebook so you don't miss any episodes. Thank you for joining me on my Front Porch. This is Francine Tone and Front Porch Lawyer, and I'll see you next time.